Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish reports, how to share reports with other people within your organization, and how to publish the web as well. So to share reports to other people within your organization, which is the most advisable, is to click on share. So to share this report, you need to upgrade to Power BI Pro license or try for free for 60 days. So we are going to use this later. So let's click not now. Let's not try this now. We're going to use that later. Then let's cancel this. So the other option which we can readily use now is the publish to web option. So the publish to web option, to get that, you come to file, then embedded report, publish to web public. Then click on publish to web public. So this brings a pop-up that to publish to, ask your Power BI admin if they will allow you to create a new, because so by default Microsoft does allow you to publish to web, because anyone with that link on the web can have access to the report, and Microsoft are very keen on security. If an organization do not want to share their data with anyone outside the organization, it's not advisable to publish to web for data security reasons. Okay, so if it's a report that the organization is ready to share with the general public, this is how you get this admin thing done. So because I'm the admin of this account, I'm the one that created this account, I also have access to the admin portal of Power BI. If not, you have to contact someone in maybe your IT department or somewhere who has access to the Power BI admin portal. So to get to the Power BI admin portal, I go to File still, then I click on Settings. Oh, no. It's not through this place, no. Settings, well, maybe here. Yeah, this settings. Settings here. Settings, the admin portal. Yes. Click on admin portal. Then tenant settings. So to be able to enable publishing to web, I go to tenant settings. So there's workspace settings, it's not here. Information protection. So export and sharing settings, I think it should be here. Yes, export and sharing settings. It's under export and sharing settings, publish to web. So you can see. So I can click here to allow. So by default is in disabled, so it only allow existing codes. So I want to click on allow existing and new codes. So whenever you can apply to an entire organization, or you can just click on specific group of people. So let me just apply to entire organization. So for this purpose, you can also apply to specific group of people. So but now let me apply to entire organization, and I click on apply. Since I'm the only one in the organization anyway, click on apply. So say tenant changes will be applied within the next 15 minutes. Okay. So let's go back to home. So apply all, we click on apply all here. So changes made. So go back to our workspace, that report, click on it, tax 1. Then we go to file again, embed report, publish to web public. Okay, so said within the next 15 minutes, it might take within the next 15 minutes to apply. Sometimes it applies earlier than that. Let's refresh again and try. So file, embedded report, publish to web public. Okay, yeah. So it has applied now. So embedded in public website. So they just give you the lowdown so all you need to know. So we click on create, then we click on publish. So this is the link. You can email it to anyone and they can view the report. And this also, you can use this, you can use it on your website just to put some reports or some things on your website. So this is the link. Let me go to a browser and try and use this particular link. So this online link just generated. Let me go to my Edge. So I copy and paste. So I'm not logging on to Power BI here. I copy and paste this here. This is just the normal web. I should see that report here as well. This is the embedded link I just created. So the same report, I can still see it here on the web page. And again, it's the same interactivity. You can see, yeah, same thing. You can interact, the visuals can interact with each other, the same numbers, everything. So you can go page 1, page 2, and all of that. So the only thing with the web version is that, one, for security purposes, you don't use the web version. And again, there are some custom visuals that don't show on this web version. So that will be all for this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson.